But yeah, it is Monday, so it's my office day. That has not changed. The office is a lot more roomier than it used to be in my old store, so that's nice. But it's very messy, and I don't like it. It just sucks that I spent so many years and organizing my own office back then, and I'm back into a mess again. It's just kind of demoralizing to do it all over again, and I don't get to witness the benefits of it because I'll be gone in 5 months. But yeah, store is very messy, especially the apparel. So that'd be fun for me to fix in the next 5 months. But yeah, but today I'm just focusing on office stuff. I always forget how much I enjoy grocery shopping at night. No people. Well, there's people, but not a lot. Less stupid out there. It was my day off today. I am so tired. I don't know what it is. I think it's just a combination of stress and all that. And I was very correct about something. Once I start working, it's very hard to find time to do anything else. In this case, look for another job. So it's been quite difficult. But I think it's just an adjustment period right now because I haven't worked for so many months. Well, technically not true, but... And then there's also part of me not wanting to be there. And discovering a bunch of problems that, for some reason, my mind decides I need to fix everything ASAP because there's something going on in the back of my head thinking something bad's going to happen at the end of my 5-month contract when the original store manager comes back. But that's a very James anxiety-induced paranoia thinking. I'll probably share that one day when the time grows closer. And also, because when Zion's there, Zion wants to do good. And I've noticed Zion's behavior change a little bit. That being said, when he was at our old store working, even though he had to work very hard to fix up the stock room and clean the store and all that thing, he said it felt different, and I agree with him. The only difference is that the entire team was chipping in some form to help. So he didn't mind doing the hard work because eventually some people would jump in, out of, guilt and plus me being around, ordering people around to help out. What I've noticed at our new store is he's putting in all the hard work, but he's also noticing no one giving a rat's ass. He's just doing it by himself. Whereas in our old store, people were chipping in and helping out. So that, I think, is the difference. Zion's work ethic is still the same. He's still working hard. But because the people there aren't as receptive to change or wanting to help, it's also affecting his mood. He already fixed the stock room already. It's Zion we're talking about. But I think that's what the factor is that no one cares. So it's taking a toll on him a little bit. So I need to help Zion out a little bit. So because of that, I've been stressed out a little bit because I don't want him to feel overworked. I want to help out. So it feels like it's the two of us. It's not the team's bad over there. It's just they've been taught some bad things. Anyway, back to grocery shop. I can't meal plan ahead because I don't know what's on sale until I get there. And I don't want to buy things at full price because Canadian groceries are just ridiculously expensive. So I decide when I'm finally there and see what's on sale. Not a lot of protein options, I can say that. I haven't been able to buy chicken in a long time. It's very hard to buy chicken. Got some yogurt, got some salad. I picked up some zero sugar, right? Oh, bloody hell, I grabbed the wrong one. Ugh. It's fine. Ugh. I wasn't paying attention. I just saw the gray packaging and I thought it was Reno sugar because usually gray is not. I should have been more careful. I hate myself right now a little bit. I was about to head to bed, but then I realized I didn't end the vlog properly, so let's end it properly. Successful week. My one goal for the week was to make sure I'm not buying takeout. If I'm at home, I should be cooking. So as you can see, I restocked my fridge pretty well this week, and I restocked it again today. So really, really good. And any meals I had outside, I was just with friends, and I had some meals with my mom too. So aside from going out to eating with friends, if I'm home, then I am going to be cooking. And it's saving me a lot of money because I don't go out to eat a lot anyway with friends because we're all so busy. So it worked out pretty well. When it came to work, I'm still not loving it. But I'm trying to get my mindset into not caring as much as I would usually do. I'm still going to do the best of my abilities, but I'm gonna step back a bit. What I mean, in James terms, is I'm not gonna bother thinking about work on my days off or when I'm off work already. I had a tendency back in the day in my own store. I would worry about the store and think about what needs to get done and all that stuff. And my staff were on point. So I would still worry, but my staff were on point. Even if my days off or I was on vacation, I would still think about work a little bit. So I'm gonna dial that back completely, like not think about work when I'm off, because I'm not gonna worry too much about a store that's not mine, and especially when the staff, I don't want to say they don't care, but it's very different. Like they're focusing all their energies in the wrong areas, so it just seems like they don't care. Let's be honest. Compared to my old staff, they look like they don't care. I'm just very fortunate and lucky back then, I guess you can say. So I'm grateful to all my staff back then because I'm dealing with the staff now and it's just, I'm just surprised a few of them got hired. Like if it was up to me, I wouldn't have hired them because they gave off the I don't care energy right off the bat as soon as I met them. Some of them have princess syndrome. They act like they're a princess and they are their attitude is really privileged. So Yeah, so work is still not going very well. And on top of that, driving to work is a bitch. Going home from work is fine because it's late and the traffic's fine. The problem is there's construction on the bridges, so there's always traffic. No matter what time I leave, I can leave an hour early and I'm still stuck in traffic. Like one day it took me over an hour and 20 minutes to get to work. So, yeah, that's what's draining me completely. But new week, hopefully things will look better. I am supposed to go to Calgary for a district meeting next week, so I don't have to go to work for 2 days, and then all my 2 days off in general. So I'm only really in the store for 2 days, so it's not too bad next week. I'm still gonna make sure my goal next week is to not spend any money buying takeout and just cooking it from home. And then I think I'm gonna do no sugar again because on the days where I told myself not to do sugar, it was just really easy. And even the days where I allowed myself sugar, I didn't consume a lot because I wasn't craving it. So I'm just gonna do no sugar again for fun because it just seems like I can do it. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here because I'm very tired. So I'll see you all next week.